Every premium papaya dessert begins here, in the quiet of a sunrise plantation. A single ripe papaya carries the sweetness of 90 days of tropical sun. Unclean cut, the harvest of papayas has begun. Hand-picked, one papaya at a time, the seri. Never machines in this field. Each basket carries the weight of the morning's careful work.
Only the ripest papayas move forward to become dessert.
Thousands of papayas debated, headed for the first stage of their journey. From the deep rows of the plantation to the edge of the fields. Every kilogram of papayas is logged before leaving the farm. The harvest is done. Now, millions of papayas begin the long road to the factory. Now the papayas leave the field and enter the pie.
Cold transport protects the softness and sugar of every papaya.
Every papaya batch is checked before the road begins.
The papayas are sealed, cooled, and ready to travel.
From plantation roads, the papayas head toward industry.
Thousands of papayas move together, but each load is timed to the minute. Modern papaya logistics are measured in distance, temperature, and time. The road clears, and the papayas keep moving.
At the end of the road, the papayas arrive, where fruit becomes dessert. The field journey ends at the factory door. Beyond this gate, the papayas enter a controlled world of steel, cold air, and precision.
This is where raw papayas meet industrial scale. Every papaya shipment is recorded before a single crate is touched. Clean entry matters before the papayas reach the processing floor. Inside, the next team is already waiting for the papayas. From here on, every papaya movement is tracked. The cold journey ends, but the papaya process is only beginning. The papayas move deeper into the factory, one controlled step at a time. Every papaya now has a place in the line.
The raw papayas are finally about to touch the line.
The first clean begins with water and movement.
Gentle cleaning protects the skin before deeper processing.
Every papaya is cleaned evenly, skin to stem end. Now the papayas are ready for human eyes.
Machines help, but trained hands still protect premium papaya quality. The line reads each papaya faster than the eye can count. Uniform papaya size means uniform processing later.
Only the best papayas stay on the premium dessert path.
This is the final moment. The papayas still look like fruit from the field.
Now the papayas enter the transformation stage.
The first cuts open the papaya for what comes next.
The papaya flesh is protected while the seed cavity is cleared.
What remains is the pure edible body of the papaya. Precision begins long before the papaya reaches the cup. Uniform papaya pieces are the foundation of a premium finish. From whole fruit to perfect cubes, the papaya changes shape but keeps its character. A brief treatment helps each papaya cube survive the line with firmness intact. The papayas are now clean, cut, and ready for dessert formulation.
Nothing useful from the papaya is wasted in a modern plant.
One stream of papaya becomes smooth, another stays whole. Heat wakes up the aroma hidden inside the papaya.
This is where the papaya becomes a dessert, not just a fruit.
Control of temperature protects both flavor and food safety. Even the whole papaya pieces are prepared for balance, texture, and shine.
The packaging is ready before the papaya ever touches it. Every cup begins with visible pieces of real papaya.
The papaya fruit and papaya cream meet in the final ratio. Consistency is what turns papaya filling into a premium product.
Now the papaya dessert line shifts from cooking to automation.
Automation begins where precision must repeat perfectly.
With one seal, the papaya dessert becomes shelf-ready.
Every papaya cup carries its own production identity.
The papaya dessert must feel the same in every hand that buys it.
The papaya cups are checked again, even after the seal is made.
A modern papaya factory is watched by sensors as much as by people.
Now the papaya dessert starts to look like a finished product. The papaya line keeps moving, but the product must cool fast. Cooling locks in texture before the last finishing steps. The papaya dessert is cold, sealed, and ready for its final finish. Premium papaya packaging depends on details most buyers never notice.
Even the printed face of the papaya dessert is inspected.
Human hands still protect the final impression of the papaya product.
Retail papaya packs now move into transport-ready cases.
The papaya dessert is now grouped for retail distribution.
Every sealed case carries the papaya story into the supply chain.
scale appears when single papaya cups become full pallets.
Wrapped and stabilized, the papaya product is ready for cold storage.
Before release, even stored papaya product still faces one last check.